Engine knocking is one of the most dreaded sounds a car owner can hear. Whether it's a faint ticking on a cold morning or a loud metallic clatter under heavy acceleration, these noises can mean anything from a harmless quirk to a serious internal failure. In this video, we'll break down what causes engine knock, how to diagnose it, and what to do before it becomes catastrophic. Whether your engine is new or has racked up 200,000 miles, this is information every enthusiast and car owner needs to know. At its core, engine knocking occurs when components inside the engine begin to move out of sync or develop excessive clearances due to wear, poor lubrication, or damage. While some noises are temporary and harmless, others are warning signs of impending failure. Knocking can come from two main areas: the cylinder head, which houses the valve train, and the engine block, which includes pistons, rods, and crankshaft. Additionally, don't overlook external components like pulleys, alternators, or water pumps. They can mimic internal sounds. If your engine knocks only when cold and quiets down after warming up, this may be due to piston slap. In high-mileage engines, the gap between the piston and cylinder wall increases. When cold, aluminum pistons shrink slightly, causing them to rock within the cylinder until they expand from heat. This usually disappears after a few minutes of idling. Another common source of noise on startup is the timing chain. If the engine uses a hydraulic tensioner and oil pressure hasn't built up yet, the chain might rattle briefly until full tension is restored. Hydraulic lifters can also tick until oil fills their chambers. A knock that appears only after the engine reaches operating temperature can be more serious. As oil thins out from heat, worn components lose their protective film. Rod knock and main bearing knock fall into this category. These knocks are typically low-pitched and increase with engine speed. One of the most dangerous causes of warm engine knocking is excessive clearance in crankshaft bearings, which leads to metal-on-metal contact. Unlike piston slap, this won't go away and can lead to catastrophic failure if ignored. Some engines develop a knocking sound that's only noticeable at idle. This could stem from loose timing components, failing accessories, or even mounting issues. If the sound disappears when revving the engine, that's usually a clue that a lightweight component or an external source is the cause. On the other hand, rhythmic knocking at idle may point to internal wear. Tapping or clicking sounds from the top of the engine usually indicate problems with the valve train, such as worn rocker arms, cam lobes, or hydraulic lifters. Engines without hydraulic lifters require valve clearance adjustments, which, if neglected, can cause tapping sounds and reduce performance. If the camshaft lobes or valve guides wear excessively, you may hear a higher-pitched metallic tick. Worn timing chain guides or tensioners can also slap against the cover, mimicking internal knock. A deep knock from the engine's bottom end is often a sign of trouble in the crankshaft or connecting rods. Rod knock is especially dangerous. A failed rod bearing can quickly lead to a thrown rod, which may punch through the engine block. A worn piston pin or gudgeon pin can also create knocking, especially under load. This knock is usually dull and can worsen as the engine warms up. Sometimes the engine itself is fine. The real culprit is an external component, a loose alternator pulley, worn serpentine belt tensioner, or failing power steering pump can all generate ticking or knocking sounds. Even the transmission flex plate can crack and knock under certain conditions. Before tearing the engine apart, it's crucial to use a stethoscope or careful diagnosis to isolate the true origin of the noise. Low oil level or degraded oil can cause nearly every knocking symptom. Insufficient lubrication results in hydraulic lifter collapse, timing chain slap, bearing failure, and piston scuffing. Always use the correct oil grade and change it at recommended intervals. Engine knock isn't always a death sentence for your engine, but ignoring it can be, whether it's a harmless tick at startup or a metallic bang that worsens with throttle. Knocking deserves immediate attention. The key is to identify the location, timing, and pattern of the noise. With proper diagnostics, regular maintenance, and timely repairs, you can extend the life of your engine and avoid costly rebuilds. If your engine is talking, don't ignore it. Listen carefully and act smart.